Hello guys, welcome our channel. We was in the Orbank and very beautiful lady was helping us with the issues with our bank account. Now everything is fine. And we are thanking for her for our channel from here.
Yes.
So let's do shopping now.
So guys, happy today. I'm gonna show you how you can shop.
So this is the street of banks. There is a Burger King around. This is beautiful Flora.
No.
Look at her clothes, it's beautiful.
Don't show my clothes.
No, we need to show your clothes.
Yeah.
So I need to show you nice actually.
Why?
Because you're looking beautiful. Okay, let's pass.
So guys,
Speak with more voice, please.
listen, then you treat again where we used to shop something around our home. Then it was night time. We didn't manage to show everything. So now we're gonna be able to show everything easily. So as you can see, the shoes around. Yes.
Here, this kind of shop have the only single price. They say you one price is going to be like this. Let's show it to you.
Yeah. Let's show some more price of clothes here. Nice dress. Some people like to wear nice.
So, for example, this clothes.
400.
Yeah. 400 only this one. $420 guy. Yeah.
That's why also can find the easy.
This is the Islamic dress. Also, if you need, you find the Islamic dress you can have here.
Expensive maybe.
This is like $25. Yeah.
I know. This is not easy. Some people they don't like it. So you can show here.
Yeah, you can check it. Okay, let me take. You will choose. So Flora say this one is beautiful.
This one is so beautiful.
Yes.
I'm gonna ask price actually.
Okay, ask. Let's learn. But it's like 3,000 because they put all 3,000. But
You cannot find it easily. $300 this dress. For this kind of dress you cannot find.
14 bin dediniz değil mi? 300. Only have green.
Ha, sadece bu.
Ya green istemiyoruz.
So we are still checking around the guys.
Yeah.
Look at this one. So discount. When you see this
Yeah.
sticker. Burada çalışıyor musun?
Burada mı çalışıyorsun? Mı?
Burada mı çalışıyor musun?
Çok karıştırıyorum.
Güzel. Benim Türkçe çok ay.
Yavaş yavaş yeni başlıyoruz.
Kaç sene burada çalışıyorsun? 2. 2 sene mi? Güzel. 2 sene burada.
Okay.
Working this shop for yeah.
Okay.
Ha, pardon. Video çekebilir miyim? Teşekkür ederim. So, I was asking if I can take picture first of all. Then I can show you around the guys. And so, as you can see, this is dress, this pantalon, this dress around. So beautiful. Mesela bu ne kadar?
1500 TL.
1500 TL. $22. As you can see. This is this one. So if you need this one, you can ask Flora. I can take you where you can find it easily. As you can see. As you can see. So nice clothes. So nice dress. So guys, you see. Minimum price 300. Minimum price is $32, and as you can see. So let me say this Kinyarwanda. Amadorari 32 yukani ushobora kubona imyenda hano myiza, amakanzu meza. Let me say this Kinyarwanda now. So minimum nuvuga ngo amadorari 30 ushobora kubona ikanzu nziza aha ngaha yo gutahana ubukwe, yo kwambara muri party. So guys, ndi kubashakira ahantu heza kuba mwagura ibintu kandi ni muri karitsiye hano. So let me know in the comment niba mushaka ibindi bintu ngomba kujya mbashakira aho murangura, aho mumenyera ibiciro byiza. So Turkey is the best for quality clothes. And you can see how it's so beautiful looking. You see? So aya makanzu ndabona ari abisilamu cyane. And here, what I can see here, minimum price is only $32, which is many franc Rwanda. You can ushobora gushyira nayo mu mafaranga y'abanyarwanda kumva ntabwo ari menshi. So guys, this is it. Let me go. If you like, let me know in the comment what you can talk about this dress. See you. So, in the street, so many clothes here.
Daha yeni
Tamam.
Türkiye'deki sayfa yazayım isterseniz.
I love you Kerim.
She's greeting you guys. Say, I love you. I love you. So now, we get people follow us in the street. It's like this. So,
Your
Turkish
channel too
people.
long.
Yeah, Turkish people, they are so sweet, guys. So nice. As you can see.
Biraz yavaş eder değil mi? Açılır yavaş yavaş. Bilmiyorum. Telefonum yavaş. Yazdım oraya bastım.
Teşekkür ederim. So you couldn't find it our channel. What's it?
I find it that.
I put it.
So?
Did you?
So what did you take? Nice
So I
thing?
was taking, showing the dress. You guys, you finish
Actually, dress in the first shop was expensive, but this one is maybe more economic one.
Yeah.
Güler abla
And I need to turn it also. Huh.
Yeah.
I need to turn also this side.
This side. Your
This
head
one.
get tired.
No, there's a grass here. Actually, I need the grass. I don't know if it's plastic, but I really need it. Merhaba. Merak etme, merak etme.
Don't take her, don't take her.
Yeah, okay, problem yok.
Bunlar tek fiyat mı yoksa hepsi ayrı ayrı mı?
400 burası, şurası 300.
Ha, anladım.
Video korkuyor musun?
Efendim?
Video korkuyor musun?
Korkmuyor da istemiyor abi.
Çirkin çıkıyorum ya.
Ha, tamam, problem yok.
Güzelsin güzel.
Problem
Boş
yok.
ver.
Problem yok. So, this is the dress.
Ha, too much, plastik.
Ne
gibi ya.
kadar?
300, 400 tane.
300.
Ha, dolar like.
Dolar değil, Turkish lira.
Yeah, but
It's like 10 dolar. 300 de
10 dolar.
7 dolar.
But they are so nice. So let me try one. Why not?
Okay, I will take your picture.
Try.
Harfi var. Hangi harfi istiyorsunuz?
How
Ah.
is it? Should I buy or what?
No, maybe you need to choose. So?
And I need to ask before.
I cannot.
I need to ask you first. So
Yok
which-
bu olmadı be.
Okay, let me remove this one.
Onu ver bana, ben atayım cebime.
So guys, which nice one? Tell me.
Ha?
Huh? Should I choose one? This one?
No, no, no.
Let me try this. Ne kadar sen burada şaşıyorsun?
Çay oldu benim.
Uçuk?
Primos.
Uçuk ya. Ha, güzel.
Olmadı.
Güzel değil.
Bilmiyorum, ben anlamam fazla. But it's plastic yani. This one is damage your eyes. No, not for you. Not for you. It should be a little bit smaller than this one. Huh?
Too much light is not for sunglass.
It's not sunglass. It's normal glass. It's not sunglass actually.
And this one.
Biraz daha koyacağım. Ha. Oh yok. Böyle yap.
How is it? Tell me guys, let me know in the comments which one.
Bu var. Bir bak bakayım buna. We are testing glass. Ha. Zahmet oluyor size, kusura
This
bakmayın.
is looking like, huh?
Tak bakalım.
You have taken me nicely.
I'm taking you nicely but is it,
How do I roll?
bilmiyorum. I cannot say the 10.
Okay, let me.
Sen de videoya azıcık girdin, haberin olsun. Köşeden öyle.
Guys, tell me which one
Dur,
should I
yol
take?
ver, yol ver. Ha.
Which one should I take? Tell me.
Böyle yap. Öyle yap. Bu güzel Flora.
Bu güzel.
Bilmiyorum. Biraz bunun siyah
Okay, let
çerçevesi var
me
mı?
comment. Like buy this one.
Hafif hafif siyahı yani böyle güzel aynı böyle de.
O modelim var.
Like siyahsı. This is also fine but I don't know.
So let me see. Let me ask my people.
Ha, ask.
Should I buy this one or not? Okay, let me know in the comments.
Just say they also Rwanda language too.
Guys, ndi kugura amarinete ahangaha. So which nshobora kugura yahe ndebera ameza. Mumitiremo iyi, mumitiremo.
This is look okay.
Yeah, abacuruza rinete mu muhanda ashobora kubona ibintu byose, inkweto, bigira ikavanga. Kugira ngo buri wese abashe
Okay.
kubona. So,
Small one maybe you need to try once
Okay,
more.
let's-
This can be option.
I'm using it in channel kuri njye ariko it's so nice for me anyway.
Huh?
I love it. So, merhaba, nasılsınız? Kolay gelsin.
Of course not real. This one is all imitation. But we,
Takabilir misin istersen? 1000 TL.
Ha,
1000.
Wow.
this is not real but it's look.
But so nice looking.
Yeah.
1,000 is like how much?
$1,025.
$25. So guys, mushobora kwishyira mu manyarwanda mukumva ariko ni keza byatari. Reba ukuntu ari keza, ikarashayininga byatari. Ntabwo kanguye kugenda ukuboko gutoya ngo ukava. So, for me it's so big. But I love it. It's
So
not
you
bad.
like the big shiny one, huh?
Yeah, it's so nice.
Koyu da var.
Oh, for you?
Yeah, it's so nice. I know fiyatını.
Efendim?
I know fiyatını.
3000 bu da.
Ha.
3000. Bak burada yarısı yazıyor.
Bu 1500, bu 3000.
Ha.
Şuna bir bakayım ben. Ben de ilgimi çekti. Oha. 1 kilo.
Yeah.
This is 3000. Oh, it's very big.
So nice. Oh, guys, let me take
It was like this, yeah.
So guys, I'm gonna buy this.
Let me see far. Ha? Böyle yap.
And it together with my. You can see when it comes to here, you have too much profit.
Okay.
You can get it so much everywhere. And even yesterday, I went some shop they just did some also.
Tamam.
Guys, look at this one. You can find everything in this shop. Very, very, very nice. Fresh. Everyone with us when I'm sleeping. So, this is the price here.
It's like $75. Say like this because $30,000, $75. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's so nice, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Really? Okay, I'm not wearing it now, but you can see. It's
Yeah.
so nice.
Ben abiyeyle belki.
Bunu hanımefendiye hediye etmek istiyorum.
So nice.
Gerek yok bence yani. Gerçek altın takıyor. Flora, they want to give you as a gift this one if you like.
Is it gift?
Ha?
They give me gift? Really?
Bana hediye mi ediyorlar gerçekten mi diyor. Bunları ben elimde kaldı, ben onları ne yapacağım? Çok kibarsınız.
So I get a gift. You see?
Teşekkür ederim diyeceksin. Teşekkür ederim. Kolay gelsin.
This is. I'm so excited, guys. I don't know how can I say, but it really is so amazing for me. I get a gift when I'm.
Let me see what is it. It's like fish. Look fish.
Yeah.
They give us fish. So when you come to Turkey, visit here. But
Yeah. Also, you can get maybe some gift.
so at least buy the glass and make the balance because you didn't buy nothing.
So, guys, what I need to try
Ben de
to
gidiyorum.
show you, but they are so nice.
Yes.
They are so sweet. Look, they give you even gold. Can you believe this? For
not-
gift.
Okay, choose at least one glass. Buy the one glass at least, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna buy that glass. It's so nice.
Huh? It's nice.
So, guys, this is nice.
I think we need to pay that.
Wow, look at this one.
No, don't put in front of your goat.
Huh.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
Yes.
How much is right on it? Wow, it's so cheap actually.
350. Yeah, this is accessory show.
$8.
No, it's less than $10. It's $8. No,
$8.
it's nearly $9. Yeah.
Okay, guys. This is the $8. I don't know if you get it. So I don't know. So sometimes work is really like a fake one. Some fake it. So you can only take out none. Take out my friend. I'm missing it. Anyway, you'll be too young. I'm going to walk one up.
Okay.
I'm waiting.
Okay. Gözünü ödeyebiliyor muyuz? O zaman take this one, let me pay your glass and come back, okay?
Okay.
Bu kaç liralık gözlüktü?
4. Ya.
Yazarsam İngilizce komple, Global Traveler Life diye. İstersen yazarız. Türkiye'de yeni açtık bunu. Okay, take it over.
So guys, so many people are. You cannot finish it and watch it. Oh my God! Look at this one. Nasıl bu ne kadar? Teşekkür ederim.
Rica ederim. Direkt çıkıyor zaten.
Oo, teşekkür ederim.
Rica ederim. Yerinizi.
Let me take yours. Ha?
Thank you.
Rica ederim.
Hayırlı günler dilerim efendim. Okay.
Koronya for cleaning my hand. Thank you. Teşekkür ederim. Kolay gelsin. Bebe. So bebe.
Çok hayal aksesuar.
Yeah.
It's like dream aksesuar in English, yeah.
Yeah, you can find it here. This name.
Yeah.
You come here. Nusa muri gazi yose umana pasha. Uzambaze nzakugenda kuri shop. Ushaka kubona utu necklace twiza usiye kwa India.
Thank you, necklace.
Original so. Ushaka kubona also n'utuntu twa. Nyine bikaba original ko twiza kwa makeya byakara. Kandi tugaragara nk'ama original. So guys, I'm happy to see you in the comments in the next video.
Speak more voice.
Guys, I'm happy to see you in the next video. I hope you're gonna enjoy shopping. Then make it, say in the comments what should I show you next video. So, ndishimye abanyarwandakazi nizere ko muri burebe video yanjye mumbwira ikintu nshobora kubashakira muri Turkiya nshobora kubereka aho mushobora gushopinga ibintu byiza kandi bya makeya. So ndahari muzambaza ibintu byose uko mushobora kuza muri Turkiya, Istanbul especially kuko niho ndi. So nzabafasha no content dukora kugerageza kugaidinga abantu. Murakoze, nizere yuko muzankurikira kandi mutansapotinga, okay?
Okay. Thank you for watching us. So my button is open. Sorry about it. Yeah. So I don't know. This is hot Turkey. This days is
Today
hot.
is so hot.
Yeah.
So guys, thank you for watching us.
Yeah. Thank you for
Thank
watching.
you so much. See you in the next video.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye.